So we're going to look at converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. When you convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, you just use it's just your classic way to divide two integers. So for example 1, you start by dividing 37 by 5. So you place a 5 outside, 37 inside. So you go through and do your division. So 5 doesn't go into 3, but 5 does go into 37 7 times. And so I've got 35. And that means that there is 2 left over, and so it has a remainder of 2. Well, the second and third tell us what to do with these numbers. It says the quotient is the integer part of my mixed number. So I know my answer is going to be 7 and something. And then it says the remainder is the numerator, so 7 and 2, and then the denominator stays the same, so since the denominator was 5 here, it has to be 5 here. And so the correct answer is 7 and 2/5. So for this first problem, when you converted 37/5 to a mixed number, you should have gotten 7 and 2/5. And what that's really saying is there are 7 5s in 37 with 2 left over. And so it's 5 over 5, 7 times, plus 2/5. Okay, let's look at example 2. Similar type problem, but this time you're dividing by 11. And just like the last one, it actually divided, there's only one number that goes into it. And so it's going to be 11 times 4 is 44. Which means you have 10 left over. You don't have to do any more because 10 is the remainder. And so the 4, remember, is your integer part. The remainder 10 is your numerator, and 11 is my denominator. So 54 over 11 equals 4 and 10 over 11. Example 3, just as some bigger numbers. And so 23 goes into 482. You can do this for as big a numbers as you want. So 23 goes into 48 2 times. So you've got a 46. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down the 2. 23 does not go into 22, and so that means I get 20 remainder 22, and so it's just 20 and 22 over 23. And that's your answer when you convert 482 over 23 into a mixed number.